Thank you, Amrishji. Hi, friends. This is Amit Porwal. I attended Amrishji's Survival Revival 3 day seminar, or you can say it was a workshop. And when I had attended that, I was into multiple issues considering the pandemic and the lockdown. And being into interior design activity, we are into design consultancy and also into architectural projects. We were facing a lot of issues, and most of them was related, of course, from the point of view that we were not getting our labors back to come down to the sites, because everybody was worried. So when we attended this master class, and we got a lot of action plan from Amrish ji and the entire team. So taking that, the most important challenge that we had to move about 50 laborers from Uttar Pradesh. They were in UP, and they had to be moved back to Calcutta. So the first thing that what we did was I started talking to each one of them, and I would have never spoken to them earlier, but then I really talked to them one on one, counseling kiya, call them to their family, talk to them, gave them the confidence that you can move back, and everything, the system has to start rolling again. After that, what we did was we saw to it that all these laborers who were ready to move back, we got them insured. So with the insurance in their hand, and with the advances that we asked the clients to pay, because here we also had to counsel the clients that जब तक आप थोड़ा बहुत एडवांस नहीं दोगे, it will be difficult, because these people have to move out from their family, and everybody requires some funds. So here our clients were also forthcoming. They came forward, they released advances, we got these insurances, we counseled them. I must have talked to almost 40 families, and gave them a one-to-one comfort and confidence that हम जो कर रहे हैं सभी के लिए कर रहे हैं, so that the projects would start and the payments would start rolling in. So end of the day, everybody feels comfortable, and we are all in this pandemic coming out of this issue. We specially arranged a bus, and about 48 people were moved from Calcutta, from Uttar Pradesh to Calcutta, in one bus, with everything arranged: food, water, their shelter when they will come back, in case they have to be quarantined. So all this was possible when we got a very clear mindset from masterclass that how we should take action, what should be our mindset, and get things rolling. Thank you so much, Amrish ji, for this fantastic approach, and we look forward for many more such sessions. And I think now our sites are now completely on, and the workers are happy, their families are happy, our clients are happy, and my entire team is happy that yes, we are back on action. Thank you.